It's my TEMU. Hey y'all, and welcome to this video. I am going to be unboxing and showing you all some of the latest and greatest finds that I found on TEMU. So it's been a while since I've done an order from TEMU, but I wanted to be able to share with you guys what exactly I got. So my order was placed out for delivery today. So I have a couple different orders coming in, so if you see me in a couple different outfits, that's why. So if you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So I'm taking a look at my TEMU order, and basically what I got in the mail today is just a couple of items that I placed. Most of these items in this video are going to be strictly for vacation. Excuse me. So I do have a couple more items on the way. So let's just jump right into it. So first thing in my, all right, so what I have in here first is some travel, it's just some travel cubes. So this is the rose. I also have gray, and I also have blue. So this is the navy blue, and I will take these out just to show you guys. Alright, so I took them out of the wrapping just to show you guys. I got these. So what I ordered was some little packing cubes. These are just simply a 6-piece travel luggage storage bags. So it comes with 6 pieces. It tells you that on the inside. So I got gray and blue, which Charles and Cam can figure out who wants blue, who wants gray. Inside, here's a big travel one, and then I also have the next one, which is like one you can hold. I also have just a small secret pouch, and then I also have another one that is this size. Then there's a bigger one, so you could easily put like bras in this one, socks and underwear in this one, whatever, like earrings if you choose to put in there. This could have your body wash, lotion, shampoo, conditioner type of stuff, and then your bigger one could be like your clothes. And then I also have this small one here that could fit, you know, like maybe all of my electronic cords and things that I'll need. So that's the same thing that is in each one of these. So I will be using these for vacation. It also has like the little cover that you guys can see on the inside of the gray one. Those were like $4 or $5 a piece. So who can beat that? A beach anklet that looks like this. So it has like the shells, it has some of the starfish and some of like the clam shell looking things, and then like this little piece here. So it's really cute, really adorable, a little anklet. Next I have, oh, a pair of pajamas. So I bought a pair of pajamas just so that I can have something to wear while on vacation, because I noticed last year I didn't really have too many pajamas. I was just wearing shirts and like sweatpants or something, or regular pajamas, pants, and I wanted shorts. So I got this shirt right here. I'm trying to make it like a tropical theme in my mind, if you ask me, but I'm also just wanting to you know, keep it along with like the orange or the yellow or the pink, and then of course the cheetah print. So here's the shorts, and then here is the shirt. These are just some pink pair of sandals that I picked out. So I'm trying to keep it, like I said, with the pink and the orange and the yellow theme, like I said, along with like the cheetah print type of thing. Just some cute little sandals that you guys can easily slip your foot into, and it's gonna cover the back. This was just a one-click thing. These are some orange slip-on beach slippers. These were literally $2. I said, why not? They don't have the support like the ones from Amazon, but that is a-okay. Booties to wear out on the beach. I think that I have another pajama set here. Okay, so these ones are purple. This is just something I was like, okay, might as well get. So I did get purple with some stars, because the choices were kind of like slim to none here. So I did get the purple stars. It comes with the shirt and shorts. Next, I ended up getting a cute dress. I think it looks more like something like a shirt that I can put like some shorts on underneath, but I just wanted to buy this floral dress here. I think it'd be really cute, really adorable. So I ended up getting another long dress. This kind of like gives like that cheetah vibe to it, or that leopard print vibe, but it's not. It's actually just a bunch of like squiggles, if you ask me. I just think the colors are really cute, and this is where I can wear the pink slip-on sandals with, and it is a long dress. I think it's really adorable. It has straps. The front looks like this, so it's not like a V where it's cutting and can show everything. I think that that's really adorable too. So like I said, it's really long, which is good because I'm long. So once again, with that cheetah piece, I did end up getting a cheetah nightgown. So this is what it looks like. I did order a size up. Normally I would have gotten a large, but with TEMU and Shein, I like to order a size up just so like I always have room, and just so like it doesn't shrink. So here is a cheetah nightgown that I can wear at the resort while on vacation. I decided to buy myself a shirt that, once again, I can do the orange or yellow or the pink with. So it just says Salty Beach. This is a extra large, and I think that it's going to be really adorable to wear with like some black shorts, or finding a colored pair of shorts that are in this shirt. And last but not least in this package is the last set of pajamas. So I am also doing the pineapple theme because of it being yellow, but I found some pineapple pajamas, shorts, and then the shirt just has the pineapple basically over here on this side. And so white on white, and then just has the pineapple on the shirt, and then there's the shorts. Thank you guys so much for watching part 1 of what I got from TEMU. Look in my description box down below, because all of these items will be linked in my description box down below, and there will be plenty of more TEMU and Amazon videos as I'm trying to build up my stuff for vacation while I have the funds to do it, and go ahead and get everything booked.